Did you know that Vibrant Credit Union offers some pretty outstanding online banking tools? If you didn't, we're going to walk you through the process of setting that up. In the upper right-hand corner of our webpage here at www.vibrantcreditunion.org, you can see where you can log into online banking. But first, you'll need to enroll. We're going to go ahead and click on Enroll in Online Banking at the top of the screen. On that page, you're going to find some disclosure information that you can read and review, and then you'll click I agree. Once you've done that and you scroll down, you'll find a little PDF confirmation request. So you'll click Open PDF. You can either copy that code or write it down. Go ahead and close the document once you've done that, and then we'll plug it into the access code space here. And then we're going to click Continue. Once you've gotten to this point, we're going to ask for some information to confirm your identity. Just as a general reminder, this is in a secure environment, so your information is protected. But you can go through and you can start to enter all of that information. And once you've got that all plugged in, once again, you can go ahead and click Continue. At that point, we're going to ask that you create a username, which will be part one of your login information. Just please note there that it needs to be at least 6 characters long. You'll then confirm the email that you entered to receive your banking password or your online banking password. It may take just a few minutes to get that, but once you've received that in your email, you can plug that information into the password space. After you've plugged that in, you'll go ahead and click Login. And now we're creating your actual password that you're going to use. Once again, you'll see the requirements for your password length and complexity there. And after you've got that confirmed, we're going to ask you for a few security questions, just in case you forget your password or you need some information in the future. This makes sure that you answer some simple questions for you, just to make sure that we're not resetting that in a way that we shouldn't be. We're confirming that that's you if indeed that time comes where you need some help with the password reset. We're going to confirm all the things we just plugged in. We can now log into our online banking. If you'd like to add some more information, you have the option to do that in Complete Profile. Otherwise, you can go into your dashboard. You are now into online banking, which please note, we also have a very dynamic online mobile banking app that you can download. But online, if we're on a computer, this is what the dashboard will look like. You'll see all of your account information, and you'll also find that we've got another great video out there that kind of walks through all of the online banking options that you can see off to the left in the navigation bar. So that's our introduction to how to set up your online banking. Hope you enjoyed it.